What up, fellas? Just got a tin. Yes! I went to Target because I wanted to get a photon shockwave packs, but unfortunately they didn't have them, so I just got a tin because I want a super solid morning. So I'll open this quick, and I broke my arm. Pretty cool. Actually, I just broke my pinky, but that's a different story for a different time. Not today. So we got these guys. Aw, yeah. Everyone knows what's in those already. First, Storm Ragnarok. Ooh, super crap. And a Kageki. I'll open it the other way. Got some other junk. It's actually called March Towards Ragnarok. Extreme Victory. Got some bad Naturia card and Blackwing Jin the World, the Shadow. That's Extreme Victory. We get ooh, shiny. TG Rush Rhino and Mechlord Emperor Skeel. That's shiny, I like that. And our last pack is Generation Force. I need a Leviar for my new deck that I'm building, so let's hope for a Leviar quick. Nope, just Star Changer. So guess the stuff is for trade. Hit me up, I don't said first. Peace out.